Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 dash cams in the $500 to $1,000 range. Whether you're looking for crystal clear 4K recording, smart parking features, or reliable GPS tracking, I've got you covered. I'll walk you through the specs, what I like, what could be better, and help you decide which one is right for your car. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Number 1. BlackVue Elite 8-2CH dashcam. Front and rear 2K QHD cameras. STARVIS 2 dual HDR sensor for superior low-light recording. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Night vision, smart parking mode, and smart event recording. Supports up to 512 gigabytes storage. Comes with SD card included. This dashcam is ideal for anyone who wants clear, high-resolution video day and night. The dual HDR ensures both the front and rear footage are sharp even in low light, and the smart parking mode automatically detects motion or impacts when your car is parked. Pros: excellent low-light performance, dual-channel recording, large storage support, 512 gigabytes, smart parking and event detection. Cons: app connectivity can sometimes lag. If you want high-end video quality and smart features, this is a solid choice for under $1,000. Number 2. BlackVue DR970X Box 2 CH Plus Dashcam. Front 4K, rear Full HD, STARVIS 2 sensor, secure box unit for protection, parking mode, cloud connectivity, Wi-Fi, GPS. Supports up to 512 gigabytes, 64 gigabytes included. This is a step up for those who need 4K recording. The secure box unit adds durability, and cloud connectivity allows you to check footage remotely. Pros: 4K front camera for ultra-clear video, remote cloud access, durable secure box, reliable parking mode. Cons: more expensive than other models in this range. Rear camera is still only Full HD. Perfect for tech-savvy users who want the best video quality and remote monitoring features. Number 3. BlackVue Elite 9 4K 2K dashcam. Front 4K, rear 2K dual HDR, STARVIS 2 sensors, night vision, GPS, Wi-Fi, app control. Supports up to 1 terabyte. Includes hardwire cable and SD card. This camera gives you the ultimate dashcam experience with ultra-high resolution and expanded storage. The app integration makes controlling and viewing footage seamless. Pros: front 4K recording, massive storage capacity, up to 1 terabyte, app and Wi-Fi integration, night vision performance. Cons: installation may be tricky for some. If you want top-of-the-line recording quality and lots of storage, this is a fantastic option. Number 4. Vantrue E360 ACE 3-channel Wi-Fi dashcam. 3 channels, front, rear, and inside. 2.7K front, rear, inside recording. Dual STARVIS 2 sensors, HDR, IR night vision, voice control, GPS, 24/7 parking mode. Supports LTE and up to 1 terabyte. This is perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants complete coverage, including inside the car. The voice control feature is a nice touch for hands-free operation. Pros: 3-channel recording, voice control, full 24/7 monitoring, LTE ready for remote access. Cons: bulkier than 2-channel cams. LTE feature requires subscription. Best choice if you need full interior and exterior monitoring and advanced features. Number 5. Garmin dezlCam OTR 725 GPS truck navigator with dashcam. 7-inch touchscreen display, dashcam plus commercial GPS navigation, 32 gigabyte SD card included, cleaning kit and accessories. Designed for truck or semi-drivers. Real-time traffic and truck-specific routing. This one's a hybrid, part GPS, part dashcam. It's excellent for long-haul truck drivers who need navigation and dash recording in one device. Pros: large touchscreen for easy viewing, integrated GPS and dashcam, truck-specific routing, additional accessories included. Cons: not ideal for standard cars. The screen can be distracting if not mounted correctly. If you're a truck driver, this is a practical all-in-one solution. So, there you have it, the top 5 dash cams in the $500 to $1,000 range. If you want premium video quality and features, the BlackVue Elite 8 or Elite 9 are excellent. If you want full interior coverage, the Vantrue E360 ACE is perfect. And for truck drivers, Garmin dezlCam OTR 725 is a no-brainer. Which dashcam do you think fits your needs? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want links to all these models, check the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews.